Hello and welcome back everybody to the fifth video in the series Polars in Python for Beginners. Topic for today's video is string operations. The string data type is frequently used in DataFrame. However, processing strings can often be inefficient due to their unpredictable memory size, causing the CPU to access many random memory locations. But Polars manages this very efficiently. Let's not waste any time and begin with the function. I have a data frame with some usernames with me, and I want to check for the presence of a pattern in a given string. We use the str.contains method. It accepts either a regular substring or a regex pattern. We'll write df.select tl.call usernames str.contains 3 literal equals true. And we get a true value in the first row because the first row of our df does have a 3. I'll just copy this and remove the keyword literal and write type enj. Now we get true values for 2 rows. This is because now Polars is checking if either 3 or enj is present in the column. We also have starts with to see if a string starts with a certain character. In our case, yes, Kira starts with K. And similarly, we have ends with and it's true since Alex123 ends with a 3. To summarize what we've done so far in a single cell, we can do the following. Check if string contained png or 12. Check if it has only IRA. And yes, first 2 rows are true for PENJ or 12. Only the third is true for IRA. Since we used the keyword literal, then starts with K, ends with 3. Now I have a data frame with dummy links. We can use the regex expressions to extract all the characters after the keyword name. If you're not familiar with regex, I might bring another video series on regex, but for now, you can pause the video and ask ChatGPT to explain the basic syntax. And we get the word right after name. We have an extract all method. For this, I'm using another df with numbers and words in a single string. df3.select tl.call numbers str.extractAll, then this regex expression to extract all the numbers from the strings. And we get all the numbers as lists. Next, we have replace method. So in this df, let's replace the lowercase p with an uppercase P. And also for our second column, I'll replace all the p's with an underscore. And voila! You can see for the first line of code, we have only the first P as uppercase, but for the second line of code, we got all the P's as underscores. There's a much simpler way to do the same, such as by using the to uppercase or to lowercase method. Finally, let's look into some other methods that are pretty common and you'll be using in your data cleaning. We have the concat method. It concatenates all the values in the column into a single row with a space because we gave a space. Similar output can be achieved with join. There's also reverse, which will just reverse the strings pretty simple. We have splits the strings wherever it encountered the letter A, because that's what we passed in. We also have head to see the first few characters of the strings. In our case, first 3 characters. Lastly, we have the len chars, just returns the number of characters in a string. This was quite a straightforward video. Remember, you don't need to memorize all the methods. You just need to know that such things are possible to help you clean the data. You can always do a Google search and save time. It helps you be creative with what you want, specific to your data. So yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.